progress.
Welcome to EIP Editing Office Hour, meeting 65. This is EIP plus ERC GitHub repositories open pull request. We are joined by editor Sam Wilson. This is issue number 1620 on Ethereum/PM GitHub repository. We do have a few proposals which are moving statuses and then followed by other additional reviews. So Sam, maybe we can start with the final proposal which is listed here first.
Can do. Let's see what we're changing here. Co-joined and all right. Actually, I guess we want to do. Guess that's fine. Okay, fungible ERC20 token contract and a non-fungible ERC721 token contract can be inspected. Long actions to be performed on one contract to be reflected on the other. This proposal defines how the relationship between the two token contracts can be queried. Also enables accounts to configure the ERC721 mints and transfers should be skipped during ERC20 to ERC21 synchronization. All right. The ERC20 fungible and ERC721 non-fungible token standards offer significant flexibility for a co-joined dual nature token pair. Seamless applications such as ERC721 fractionalization. All right. Okay, that's reasonable. A dual nation token pair comprises of the ERC20 contract and ERC721 contract for convention. It's the mirror. Okay. Returns the address of the ERC7 return whatever. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it seems fine. All right.
So we have got one more proposal move to final status here. There are 3 more for last call. Let's see where they are.
Yeah. Let's take a look. So. All right. So we are on the 15th. So the 29th is now the last call deadline. And let's give this a read through. Option authentication for Ethereum accounts to establish sessions by all these people. Review. Okay, good. So Ethereum scripts by Ethereum accounts authenticate with off-chain services by sending. Yep. Okay. Good. Yeah, I don't think anything else has changed significantly, so we will approve. It's good to see this
I'm
one moving into last call.
very, very
Um,
happy. I have been following with the author regularly, and I'm very, very happy to see this moving. Thank you, Sam.
okay. Okay, so I can add that. It's easy enough. And then, what does that go in? So after status. Composable runtime security checks and smart contracts. The EIP process data interface inline for implementing composable security alerts and smart contracts. There's Active's middleware, enabling runtime validation of function calls before and after execution, independent of the protected contract's logic. Okay. Current smart contract security practices often rely on monolithic validation within the contract itself. This can lead to tightly coupled code, making it difficult to isolate and address security concerns that our structured architecture is needed. More like approach. Okay. Yeah, that seems fun. And 116.
What is the normal time to get it merged? Because I see that 4361 is still not merged. It says some checks were not successful. Is that the reason?
No, it's just waiting for the HTML proofer to finish.
Okay.
It takes
Okay.
about 10 minutes.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Okay.
The author could not join the meeting because of time zone, but he has requested for reviews of two proposals. One is this one, another one is also upcoming. Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Okay. CIP defines a state interface for indexing smart contracts in Ethereum by the bytecode hash. This enables trustless discovery and verification of contract code, facilitating use cases like bytecode signing, whitelisting, and decentralized distribution mechanisms. Okay. Existing just addresses which are non-deterministic can be obfuscated through proxies. Indexing by bytecode hash. Okay. All right. So fixed growth, broken eShat, mainline group. Yeah. Okay.
I have added these smaller PRs before the bigger draft ones so we can review more proposals here. I could not quite get Gajender's comment. I know he added.
Yeah.
So Sam, I'm just in general having this thought like if we become very strict about not accepting any typo for withdrawn or stagnant proposal, perhaps our open pull request could be lesser. It actually does not add value except for it is increasing the number of open PRs. Like we have received so many open PRs for this.
Yeah. So typo fixes, and I guess broken links. Like, okay, so this PR is technically changing the meaning of the pull request
And
or
it doesn't make
of
sense
the
because it
stagnant,
is for a
right?
withdrawn proposal. Like proposal is already withdrawn. If anyone wants to move forward with this proposal, they should ideally come and create a new PR, new EIP.
Yeah. No, I think that's fair. Typo fixes I'm a little bit more okay with in stagnant and withdrawn because I feel like they increase the quality of the project as a whole. Like if we have typos in our stagnant and withdrawn, like it kind of looks bad on us. But this one's uh, kind of changing the meaning as well. So yeah,
Yeah.
um,
I mean, like, if we really want to add a value by increasing the, quality of it, I think it will be more meaningful if they invest their time doing it to the proposal which are in active discussion, not going back, filtering out the proposal which are in withdrawn and stagnant, unless there is an intent of bringing it back to the active conversation. And I believe if we start becoming vocal about it, we will we will receive a
this
less number of PRs for these kind of type of fixes.
is 7291. All right. Yeah, that's fine. So why didn't this one merge? For no reason. All right. We will close you.
Out of date base branch.
That should be okay.
Okay.
It's just it's that the required checks didn't run.
Hmm.
Sometimes GitHub Actions just breaks for no apparent reason.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here it
Okay.
is adding
So
value because the proposal is in like what last call. So it does make sense.
okay, so this is just a regular review then.
That's right. Yeah. So you have already reviewed it before and they have made changes and that's why they are added.
All right. Permissions create two factory. Permissions method for the question development of a universal create two factory. The CRC defines a permissionless and deterministic deployment mechanism across all EVM-compatible chains. It uses the EIP 7702 set code for EOA transaction type to deploy a universal create two-factory contract to a fixed address with known bytecode. The factory can then create a new contract to a deterministic address using the EIP 1014 created. Yep. Secret keys for chain-specific infrastructure. Cool. I think there's one for Stone. Nope. Hmm. All right. Be careful guard a secret key and use it to send transactions to deploy create two-factory contracts, resulting in contract with deterministic address and code all change where the first transaction deploys it. Yeah. This can be verified post-deployment to ensure test business. Doesn't have the same gas sensitivity downsides as the next method as proper key consent transaction, proper gas transaction. Yeah. Okay. The CRC provides permission. Okay, wait. Okay, deploy private key. Make code. Okay. 770 authorization using a deploy private key delegating to the bootstrap contract. Execute in 7702 type 04 transaction with the authorization from step 2. The transaction must call deploy address. Okay. Okay. So that is the permissionless create factory. So now 6220 fix return params names and comments. Is this on a file proposal or is this on Yeah, you are fun. All right. What are we changing here? Yep, that's totally fine by me. Okay. Instinct-based automatic transactions. All right. 7757. Instinct-based automated transactions. AI-driven transactions with on-chain instincts, temptation values, and environment variables for target autonomy. Okay, this ERC introduces a compact on-chain framework that lets autonomous agents coordinate through instincts, small rule, over objects ranked by sign temptation value. Choose kind of pick targets, multi-step example safely, and once a trigger condition is met, the contract executes the associated transaction without the agent managing a private key. Alongside instincts, agent shares some on-chain environment variables. Okay. As the field notification does. Okay. All right. Okay. Standard interface. No, this one just didn't get merged. Why? Um, Ah, that's why. Oh, right. I guess it'd be. Okay, so we'll do that. Oh, okay. Yeah, so I guess I can just delete these. Can I do that all at once? No, I can't. Can't edit it. Um, yeah. All right. Key hash based tokens. Each problem. Okay. And then. Stream address. Privacy by allowing ownership verification through signatures without exposing addresses. The standards separate ownership from transaction initiation, allowing third parties to pay gas fees without controlling tokens, suitable for batch transactions or gas sponsorships. Key functions, transfer, mint, destroy, are defined with robust signature verification and nonce checks to avoid message tampering. Replay attacks by relays. Traditional EIP. Let's try this instead. Yeah, I'll just tell them to do it. I'm feeling lazy today. Okay. Okay. Reference implementations. It's fine. Cool. Non-fungible account tokens. Is this not a thing already? I vaguely remember this. No, guess not. All right, smart cancel trade plan for assets with embedded while metadata. Cool. A non-fungible account token. CUC Central who's metadata and best standards as smart contract wall transfer. The NFT transfers full control of that wall through the validator, making smart contract visible and tradable existing NFT infrastructure.
Yeah, I think they have added on top of your last reviews, right? In implementing all your comments from that, because I don't know, for some reason I see your GitHub handle in one of these. 1101 we are looking at, right? Yeah.
Yeah. I haven't looked at this one yet.
Hmm.
I just assigned it the number.
Yeah, because it's is that like
Uh,
what I'm looking at, it is commit number. Okay, let me copy link and
they could
share.
talk about this one here.
Yes, I
Yeah,
think
I
so.
just assigned the number.
Okay.
Okay.
I still see they have put 4337 in required. I don't know how long they are running here.
Okay. 1101, 1103. Remove duplicate word and fix some typos. Yep, that's fine by me. Yeah, 1107. The functionality. Yep. Okay.
I suppose by removing these links, also this proposal can be made as a standard, right? I mean, only
Probably. Yeah.
yeah. Okay.
Hello. There we go. All right. That's 997-774. Especially nice appendage for scheme safe upwards of very extendable structures and expandable storage spaces. Great. So I'm not going to start this one. I'm not going to have time to finish it. Yeah, so I guess thanks everybody for coming out. I will see you all maybe next week and maybe the week after that.
Thank you so much, Sam. And for people who are watching this, tomorrow we are going to have the EIP meeting. So if you have any questions or comments related to the process of EIPs, please join us. We hope to have some presentations as well with the tooling that community may have created. So yeah, thank you all. See you around.